Hello, my lovely girls. I will revise our lessons today. So I will share my screen so you can see it. Okay, so that's lesson 5-6, and it's all about estimation to place the first digit of the quotient. So we have to remember the place value of every number. So here, let me draw. So I will share my screen. Okay, so as I was saying now that we have to remember the units, tens, ones of the numbers. So here, if I have number 5, so I have here ones, I have here tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Okay, so if I have number 5, so 5, the place value of 5 is ones. If I have number 75, so the 7 is tens and the 5 is ones. If I have number 875, so the 8 is in the hundreds, 7 is in the tens, 5 is in the ones. If I have number called 7,000, don't forget the comma here, 7,873. So the 5 is in the ones, the 7 is in the tens, the 8 is in the hundreds, the 7 in the thousand. If I have a number here called 9, so I have 97,875. So now we have revised the place value. So let's solve it and use it in estimating the numbers here. So if I have, let me draw a rectangle to use. If I have 615 divided by 15, 615 divided by 15. The first step, I will ask myself, the answer will be greater than 615 or smaller than 615. In division, the quotient is smaller than the bigger number, of course. Okay, so let me do it for you just a second. So the first step, we are going to write 15 multiplied by 10 equals 150. Then I will multiply 15 by 100. 15 multiplied by 100 is 1,500. Okay, 615 is between 150 and 1,500. So the answer cannot be greater than 615 because we are dividing. If I have number 10, I am dividing number 10 in two portions, so it will be 5 and 5. The 10 will be 5 and 5, so it cannot be greater than 10. No, it must be smaller. Then let me think. If it is smaller than 615, so it cannot be in the thousand place, right? But it could be in hundreds or in tens, right? Let me think. 615 got how many 15? Can we separate it in 15 without putting two numbers in? No, because it only has 600. It only has 6, but we want 15 partitions. So it will be 2 digits. In the 10th digit, 2 digit, it will be two-digit number. That's the quotient. Okay, let me take another example. Okay, so mute. Let's go here. Again, I will explain another example here. It's very important. If I have, let's say, 4,945 divided by 23. So the answer here must be less than 4,945 and greater than 23. So when I take the 23 and multiply it by 10 to know if the answer is hundreds or no, so let us multiply it by 10, it will be 230. 230 is so far away than 4,000, right? It is in the hundreds and that's 4,000. So we complete 23 multiply, not equal. 23 multiplied by 100, it is 2,300. Let's complete 23 multiplied by 1,000. Don't forget the comma. It will be 23,000. Okay, so who is bigger? Of course, 23,000 is bigger. So we will stop. We will not complete. We will not take 23,000. So the 4,945 will be divided in numbers smaller, greater than 230 and bigger than 2,300. So if we took 230, let me write it here alone. If I write it like this, 230, okay, 230, smaller than 2,300. So 230 is what? 200, so it is hundreds. And 2,300 is what? 2,000, so it is thousand. So the quotient, the answer is between 100 and 1,000. Okay? So if it is between 100 and 1,000, any number between 100 and 1,000 contains how many digits? After 100, we have 101, 102, 103, until 999. After 999 plus 1, it is 1,000. So any number between 100 and 1,000 is what? Is 3 digits. 3 digits. So if the answer is between 230 to 2,300, so the answer is 3 digits. Okay? So that's a way of solving division by estimation. We don't want to know the exact answer. We can know it by long division, but all we want to know if it is 1 digit or 2 digits or 3 digits. And if it is 3 digits, so it is in the hundreds place. Hundreds place, because that number will be what? Will be like 230, 350, and any number in the hundreds. Okay, so let's take another example. recording. Okay, so let's take another example also here. Let's take the last one, which is, oh, just a second. Okay, so let's take 7,000. It is 100, or yes, I think 7,152 divided by 76. So I will think, I don't know, I don't want the exact answer. No, I want to think. It is 7,152 and that's 76. So we have 4-digit number and 2-digit number. So the answer is going to be between these two numbers. So I want to know if it is 2 or 3. And it depends on multiplying the small number by 10 and 100 and 1,000 and see the divisor is between which numbers. If it is between the tens and hundreds, so the answer will be 2 digits. If it is between the hundreds and thousand, so the answer will be 3 digits. Okay, so that's that easy. So let's see here. First, I will take 76 multiplied by 10. 76 multiplied by 10 equals what? Equals 760. Then I will go to 76 multiplied by 100. It will be what? It will be 7,600. So I think 7,152 is smaller than 7,600. So it is before it. So I will think 76 multiplied by 10, 760. 76 multiplied by 100, it is 7,600. So let's complete. If I put 76 multiply by 1,000, what I will get? I will get 76,000. It's so big number, so bigger than this number. No, I don't need it. So I will take this small number and write it as in the previous equation and put it here and say what? Say that I have 760 smaller than what is the number after it? 7,152. 7,152 smaller than 7,600. So the answer is between the 760 and the 7,172. It cannot be bigger than it. So it is between the hundreds and the what? And the thousands. So it will be 3 digits between the hundreds and the thousands. So the answer is 3 digits. Okay. I hope it's easy.